In the bustling college campus of dreams, a group of ambitious students dared to embark on a journey of passion, approaching a wise faculty member. They sought guidance and approval to form a team for the prestigious GKDC event. With unwavering support, they christened their team as SHIKRA and Bega in the arduous task of building their racing machine. Piece by piece, they meticulously assembled the vehicle, facing challenges as they toiled tirelessly, staying back in the college premises to bring their creation to life. Nights turned into days, and setbacks along the way. Amidst the flickering lights of the night, they tested their creation in the limited space available, fine-tuning every detail with dedication and precision. As the day of reckoning arrived, they stood tall at the GKDC event, confidently navigating through technical inspections and brake tests. The moment of truth came during the endurance rounds, where they encountered initial hurdles, but persevered with grit and determination. Triumphantly clearing the second round, they emerged victorious with an impressive All-India ranking of 11 in their debut attempt. In the realm of racing, where passion meets perseverance, the saga of SHIKRA unfolded as a testament to the indomitable spirit of youth and the power of teamwork, and in that moment, they etched their names in the annals of glory, ready to conquer new horizons with unwavering resolve.